2024 major trend alert, Taylor Swift side bangs. I'm gonna show you how to make them on a haircut that maybe doesn't even have bangs. So first things first, grab your comb. You're gonna section off a nice big piece from the front, clipping the rest of that hair out of the way. So now that I've got this section of hair that's gonna be my bang, I need to style it. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. So taking my flat iron, I'm going to create a nice C or a curve to the hair. And this is really what's gonna be creating that bang shape. So once I've got that heated up, I'm gonna quickly push it completely away from where my parting is. And when it's being pushed away, I'm gonna then turn the hair into a little curl. I'm using some non-marking clips. Just gonna hold that in place. And while that's being held in place, it's cooling. And I need it to cool fully so that when I unclip it, I brush it across, you're gonna see I'm gonna have some major Taylor Swift action. Now that that hair is cooled, I'm gonna unclip everything. And using my favorite grooming brush, I'm gonna put a little bit of hairspray. This just helps aid everything into place. And then I'm just going to, like magic, there you have it. If you feel like you still need a little extra something, just at the root here, I'm gonna back comb just a bit. Because I want it to look really swept completely across my forehead. A little bit more spray. If you want to look like Taylor Swift in 2024, give this hairstyle a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below.